What's going on, guys? I hope you guys can hear me. You guys currently on like my book because I needed to kind of bring you guys up more so we can have this eye-to-eye level talk. I hope you guys are doing great. I told you guys I would make another video for you guys, and I'm going to be more consistent this time around. So that is what we're doing. We're in our little cubicle right now. This is where I get my work done. It's funny because it's actually the community college I used to go to that I currently don't attend anymore. But they have these small little spots that you could work at. As you can see, you know, they got the whiteboard over there. I got my goals and everything I want to accomplish over there. But yeah, so I've been trying to get some work done. As of right now, I've been doing cold calls. So cold calling businesses and doing all those sort of things. But in this video, I wanted to talk about having a vision, right? Having a vision and then going after that vision and doing whatever it takes to make that vision become a reality. For you guys that don't know my kind of backstory and everything, I came from a really, not a lavish background. I didn't have this kind of work ethic. I was very lazy. I was hanging around with the wrong people, doing the wrong things, and I had no money in my bank account, and it was a low point in my life, right? And I wanted to strive to become more. I wanted to become better, but I didn't know how, and I didn't know how I was going to get to that point. So, it was a matter of me trying to resolve this, and a big self-discovery process for me, especially all throughout high school. I was really lost in what I wanted to do, how I wanted to make money. And I knew that I never wanted to go to college. I never wanted to work a 9-to-5 job, and that wasn't for me. Working a 9-to-5 job, wasting my time. I wouldn't say wasting, but trading my time for money, because I've realized over the years, and by seeing other people work these long hours and work a 9-to-5 job and spend half of their day or the majority of their day working, and especially if it's a job that they don't enjoy, it just becomes so much more of a burden. And so I realized that at a very young age that I didn't want to do that personally for me. Some people it fits, other people it's not meant for. And I thought, in my opinion, the way that I was viewing college, it was setting me up for that lifestyle. Setting me up for me working under somebody. And I'm not against working under anyone. I know eventually when I in my mid-20s, or even soon, hopefully, that I will be my own business owner and I'll be my own boss. But I have no criticism, nothing against working under someone. If it's somebody that I admire and respect and have a lot to learn from, I am more than willing to work under anybody, right? I believe that you can learn anything from anyone. And so I'm all about experience and all of that. But the way that college was setting me up and the things that college had, it just didn't fit what I wanted to do. They didn't really have any of the things that I wanted to do and that I envisioned for myself. And back to the topic of this video, having a vision for yourself, right? Everyone's vision is different. Maybe your vision is to go to college and to work that kind of lifestyle, right? And work a 9-to-5 job, which I'm not bashing at all. What I'm saying is that my vision wasn't that. My vision is to start a business, start my own business, scale it up, make a lot of money from that, gain my freedom, and build this personal brand of mine, and bring you along the journey, and then maybe be a motivational speaker, be able to coach other people, be able to inspire other people. That was my vision. That still is my vision. And every day I'm going towards that. And I feel blessed to be able to do that, right? I feel blessed to be able to be in a workspace and be able to dive into deep work and to map out all my goals and things I want to accomplish and interact with other people, with like-minded people. It's just the whole package I'm grateful for. And so I had a vision, and I didn't want to stray away from that vision. And I thought, in my own opinion, even though my parents, my friends, and the people around me, society was telling me that college was the only way, I had a vision for myself. And that's what I want you guys to understand, is that you guys will need a vision for yourself. right? It doesn't matter if anyone else has a different vision for you. If you have your own vision, stick with that. Because that's your vision. No one can take away your vision for you, and it's your life, right? So I had a vision of being able to scale this agency, being able to build my own business, being able to impact other people, being able to inspire other people on a massive scale, and that's what I'm working towards every single day. And that was my vision. That still is my vision. And no matter what people thought, no matter what my parents said, no matter what society was telling me to do, I stuck with my vision. I'm still going to stick with my vision, right? I'm going to work every single day towards that vision, because I know with the right work, with the right amount of commitment and mindset, that vision one day will come true. And that's with every one of you guys that have a vision. Anybody that's watching this video, if you guys have a vision, just know that that vision is possible and that you are in control of that. If you want to manifest something in your life, you can manifest anything you want in your life. Sure, you're going to have to get rid of some limiting beliefs. Sure, you're going to have to get rid of some bad habits. Sure, it's going to be hard, right? That whole process of doing that, of building the commitment, of building the consistency, of doing the right actions, of hanging around with the right people, of doing the right things, that's going to take some time to develop. But I'm saying, if you stick with that vision, if you keep that vision in the back of your head with everything that you do, one day it's all just going to fall in place. One day you're going to work and you're going to realize that you have been being consistent, and that you have been putting the work, and that you have been hanging around with the right people. And all that, once you have all that playing in the factor, right, all that coming together, that's when the vision starts coming true, right? That's when everything starts coming along for you. And that's what I wanted to say in this video is, have a vision, stick with the vision, and work towards your vision. That's literally what I'm doing every single day. Is I have this vision, I work towards it, right? I do the right kind of actions, and I try to stay committed. And it's crazy, it's crazy to think about. I'm learning so much more than I have ever learned in the past, 15, 17, 18, 19 years of my life, right? With school. I feel like school hasn't taught me anything. In this past month alone, I've been learning so much more than I would have in the past years, right? Things that were actually going to bring me value and currency, money, right? Sales, business, how to communicate, just all these things, having a vision, right? Listing out my goals, like personal development, becoming a better person, communicating more effectively, right? Connecting with more people. It's just, I learned so much more. And it's just to say that if you have a vision, it doesn't matter what other people are telling you to do. You just you have to know what's best for you, and that's that, right? You know what's best for you. And I'm so grateful for me being able to listen to my intuition, listen to what my heart had to say, and really respect that and go after it. I'm going after it, man. This is like a Saturday morning, right? And it's, I'm loving the things I'm doing right now. And it's like, I created this lifestyle for myself. And you guys can do the same. If you guys aren't satisfied or happy with your life, you can change that. You can change, you could quit the job if you wanted to. What's stopping you, right? If you don't like the job, what's the point of working there? So that you can be comfortable, right? You want to be in risk. You want to be scared. But do the things that you love. That's worth being scared, right? If, I had a lot of fear, a lot of things. I still have a lot of fears. I still have a lot of doubts. But I'm working through that. And it's, at least I'm doing what I love, right? At least I'm doing what I love. I'm doing what I love every single day. And I even though I have my fears, it's just like an obstacle for me. And I don't see it as a roadblock, but I see it as something that I can overcome one day. So I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Leave it down in the comments section below what you guys want to see in the next video. I know one person commented that you guys wanted to see my daily routine. It's pretty mundane, but I will show you the next time I have the time to record that. So, list down in the comment section below whatever else you guys want to see. And yeah, I will surely come out with that. And remember that change happens only with a new expression. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Take care, guys.